if you use Microsoft OneDrive, you know how painful it is to have to go digging through files and folders anytime you got to get an answer to a question. So I'm going to show you how to build a powerful AI answer engine using trusted sources from your OneDrive, and you're going to be up and running in 2 minutes or less. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is set up your knowledge base in OneUp. If you don't have a OneUp account, hit the free trial button. It's fast and easy, and you're going to hit the add knowledge button to connect OneDrive right here. Once you've connected OneDrive, you can pull in specific files or folders from OneDrive into OneUp, and you're going to make them accessible to the rest of your team. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this using Ask OneUp. First thing we're going to do is hit the Add to Slack, Teams, or Google Chat button. Once you've connected OneUp to Teams, anyone can talk to it. They don't need a license. They just need to ask OneUp. They get a fast answer just like this, and they're getting it directly from your OneDrive files. What's really great is you could actually limit the answer engine to specific sources from your knowledge base. So whether you have connectors set up in OneUp through different knowledge sources, what you want to do is go to the settings, hit up Microsoft Teams, and tell OneUp to only use OneDrive content. This is a great way to create custom channels in Microsoft Teams or even Slack where your team is living to give answers specific to OneDrive. This is a really powerful way to make your team basically get answers directly from OneDrive without ever having to dig through it and never worrying that they're coming from somewhere else. You can also extend this to your customers. So a couple of ways you could do that. Spin up an Answer Hub. Answer Hub is a way to create a customer-facing, pretty much answer page that gives you the ability to generate responses to any question. You can brand it, you can customize it. It looks great and it's really fast. So any question that your customer has can be linked to your OneDrive or specific files in that OneDrive, and they can get responses quickly. This is great for channel partners, prospects, security and compliance reviews, and it's, again, coming from your OneDrive, so you know they're accurate sources you trust. And another popular use case that we see a lot with sales teams is the ability to automate big questionnaires. If you've got a questionnaire coming in, maybe something to do with security, compliance, maybe it's an RFP, RFI, you can upload it into OneUp directly and tell OneUp to only use your OneDrive content. So in this case, you see that OneUp is taking in this Microsoft Word document, it's auto-filling it based on my OneDrive content. And I know that these answers are accurate, I know where they're coming from, and if I need a follow-up question, I could limit it down to my OneDrive content again to make sure that everything here is accurate and it's coming from that specific source. So this is just a really powerful way for you to build an answer engine in only a couple of minutes that uses your existing OneDrive content and extends it to the rest of your company. Any use case like customer questions, RFPs, internal questions, especially customer questionnaires that take a long time to solve, that's going to get automated. So if you want to get this up and running, hit that free trial button, get OneUp going, connect your OneDrive, and you'll never go digging for a file again.